Hi everyone, welcome back to CapCuttutorials. In today's tutorials, I will show you how to add a voiceover to your videos using CapCut on your smartphone. Adding a voiceover can make your content more engaging. Let's get started. Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Select the video you want to edit and tap Add. Once the video is loaded, scroll through the timeline to find where you want to add the voiceover. This is the first step importing your videos. Now let's record our voiceover. Tap on Audio at the bottom menu. Select Record. Tap or press and hold the blue button to start speaking. Once done, release the button, and the recording will be added to your timeline. If you make a mistake, simply delete and record. Make sure to record in a quiet space for clear audio. And don't worry if you mess up, you can always re-record. Drag the voiceover to adjust its position. Tap on the voice-over track to adjust the volume. To do that, simply highlight the audio track, select volume, then reduce or increase volume. Use the Effect tab to enhance your voice with filters, like echo or deep. Highlight the audio track and select Audio Effect. Select your desired voice filter. This is where you can make your voiceover sound even better. Play around with the effects to get the best sound for your video. If there's background noise, use the Reduce Noise feature for clearer audio. Highlight the audio track, select Reduce Noise, turn on and click the check mark. Once you are happy with the voiceover, tap on Export in the top right corner. Choose resolution and frame rate, then hit Export. Wait for your video to finish uploading. Do not leave the app. Click Done, and yes, you have successfully added voiceover in CapCut. Your video is now ready to be shared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more editing tutorials. Let me know in the comments what CapCut feature you want to learn next. See you in my next video.